Question 1, Part C. Solve 4 minus x over x less than 1. By inspection, the denominator of the fraction on the left-hand side cannot equal 0, since division by 0 is undefined. So it needs to be clearly stated that x cannot equal 0, and that needs to be considered when stating the solution at the end. Now, one way to deal with this inequality is to multiply both sides of the inequality by the square of the denominator. And by squaring the denominator, we're multiplying both sides of the inequality by a positive value. So the inequality symbol does not need to be switched around. So multiplying both sides of the inequality by x squared, we get 4 minus x in brackets times x squared over x less than x squared. Now we can simplify the left-hand side since we'll get cancellation between the x squared and the x here. So the inequality becomes 4 minus x in brackets times x less than x squared. Now we can expand the left-hand side here. So we get 4x minus x squared less than x squared. Moving all terms over to the right-hand side and combining the like terms, we get 0 less than 2x squared minus 4x. We can simplify this inequality further by dividing all terms by 2, since all terms are even. We get 0 less than x squared minus 2x, and it makes more sense to flip the inequality around. Hence, x squared minus 2x is greater than 0. Now, the graph of x squared minus 2x, being a quadratic, is a concave up parabola, intersecting the x-axis at x equals 0 and x equals 2. But 0 and 2 are not part of the solution set. Now we're interested in the part of the parabola that's above the x-axis, and that occurs when x is less than 0 or x is greater than 2, which happens to be our solution. Therefore, x is less than 0 or x is greater than 2.